If you want a very clean and supple and rich glowing skin, you need to start dry brushing your skin. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? It's your girl Ijoma here. If this is your first time of coming across this face, hi, you're welcome. I am Ijoma and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to properly exfoliate your body to achieve a very good and flawless result. Most of my subscribers will always ask me, those people in my DMs or my customers will always ask me that how do I exfoliate properly. So I decided that instead of sharing this knowledge individually, I decided to make a proper video so that my subscriber on you that is just coming across my video today will gain and know more about exfoliation. You know, exfoliating your skin is going to either make or mar your skincare routine. Do you understand? Not exfoliating at all is going to ruin your skincare routine, and under exfoliating is going to mar your skincare routine, and also over exfoliating is going to mar your skincare routine. Do you understand? Now, how do you properly exfoliate your skin? This is what this video is all about, and that is why we are making this video. That is why you come across this video today, and that is why I'm teaching you how to properly exfoliate your skin. Now, there are different types of scrubs in the market today. Now we're talking about physical scrub, something you can use physically to exfoliate your skin, which comes in the forms of scrub, and it might either come in a salt scrub or a sugar scrub or a coffee scrub or a creamy scrub that has exfoliating beads in it. All these scrub have what they do on the skin. Like the salt scrub gives more intense exfoliation when you know that, okay, maybe you've not exfoliated for a very long time, or you feel like you want to deeply exfoliate your skin. Go for salt scrub, because after you finish exfoliating your body or scrubbing your body with a salt scrub, you will notice how soft your skin will come at under 5 minutes of using a salt scrub on your body. You will notice that your skin is more supple and soft. However, a salt scrub is not okay for people with sensitive skin. If you know you are a sensitive kind of person and you easily get irritated, please don't use a salt scrub. I think a sugar scrub will be best for you because it contains moisturizing properties. It has more of oils and moisturizing ingredients and butters in it. So sugar scrub is more suitable for people with sensitive kind of skin. Do you understand? That get irritated easily. Sensitive skin is a skin concern and not a skin type. You can be an oily sensitive skin, you can be dry sensitive skin, you can be combination sensitive skin, you can be normal sensitive skin. So sensitive skin is a skin concern whereby this set of people get irritated easily. Their skin get irritated easily. Do you understand? So now, if you know that you fall under this category, you need to be very careful on the kind of scrub you use. Now, sugar scrub is not suitable for you. Do you understand? Because this will moisturize you. It is more calm and gentle on the skin. Do you understand? So that is what you should be using as a sensitive kind of person. So now, we're supposed to use a sugar scrub again. If you know you have excessive dry skin, you can also use a sugar scrub. But if you know that you want to deeply exfoliate your skin, you need to combine a salt scrub and a sugar scrub together. Do you understand? So when you use the salt scrub to exfoliate your skin very well, you can now introduce sugar scrub to give you moisture. Now we also have the coffee scrub. This coffee scrub is rich in antioxidants. It helps in reducing cellulite, stretch marks, and it aids blood circulation. With the caffeine present in coffee, it also helps in skin tightening. So if you know you have saggy skin, aging skin, and you have stretch mark, you're struggling with some certain skin concern, please work more with coffee scrub. Do you understand? So don't use a salt scrub, work more with scrubs that has coffee in it because it is rich in antioxidants, and it also contains caffeine, which will help you in skin tightening. Do you understand? Anybody can use coffee scrub, anybody can use sugar scrub, anybody can use salt scrub, except people with sensitive skin. Now this takes us to the fourth type of scrub in the market. There are some kind of scrub in the market that comes in a creamy form that has exfoliating bits in it in form of apricot seed, like the likes of this here. Can you see this? We have the Eden apricot scrub. I'll be putting the likes of them. Anybody can also use this. Yes, you can also use anyone in this form that comes in this creamy kind of, this creamy texture. It is very mild and anybody can use. Let me tell you the importance of exfoliating your body. When you exfoliate your skin, you will glow differently. You will not have dull skin. It will help you to achieve a brighter skin and even skin tone. Like, it will aid blood circulation all over your body. So you should not under exfoliate and you should not over exfoliate. Do you understand? So now the proper way to exfoliate is at least 2 to 3 times in a week to achieve a very nice and glowing skin. I've already mentioned types of scrubs. So now there is something they call dry brushing. And dry brushing, if you want a plump glowing skin, do you understand? If you want a very clean and supple and rich glowing skin, you need to start dry brushing your skin. And how do you dry brush? Let me teach you in a very short form. You're going to wet your skin. So when you wet your skin, you're going to apply your creamy based scrub on it. So as you're doing it, you're rubbing it in a circular motion. You keep massaging it till the whole creamy texture has absorbed into your skin. Then this is where this come in. Then you will introduce either this Moroccan sponge. It's been long I've been using this. It's been a while. So if you can't get this one is very sharp. Or you go in with this. But one thing about this one is no longer, the texture is it's not like before again. The texture is now very light. It's not like before again. It's not really coarse like before. So this is why you're going to go in. You're going to go in with it. So you're going to start massaging this in a circular motion. When you start doing it in a circular motion, you will notice that some dead skin cell will start coming out of your body. I exfoliated yesterday, that's why this thing is not coming. You will start noticing that something like dirt will start coming out from your body. Do you understand? That is dry brushing. You will do it to an extent that you will start noticing dead skin cell will start coming out from your body. So after you've done that, you will just go into the shower. If you really want to glow this festive period, do you know what you're going to do? Go get me this Yoko spa salt. It is in a powder form. Get it, add it into your bathing water. Do you understand? Add it into your bathing water while bathing with your body wash. You can use any body wash of your choice. Now use your body wash and wash off your body very well. Make sure you are clean. Immediately you're out of the shower, on a damp skin, go in with your moisturizer. Apply it on a damp skin. Do you understand? So after that, apply your body oil. Yeah, this is one of my body oils. So use this body oil and sealing moisture. Do you understand? So that is how to use your creamy based scrub that has apricot particles in it, or your coffee scrub. This is the same method you will be using in order to get the best result. Use the dry brushing method for your coffee scrub and for your cream based scrub. So now this is for the people that want to make use of sugar scrub or salt scrub. When you're in the bedroom, first of all, go in with your bar soap. Now I'm using a moisturizing bar soap. This cushion baby soap is a good moisturizing baby soap. So you're going to first of all have a shower, proper shower. Do you understand? Then after bathing, let's assume I don't have a salt scrub anymore. So after bathing, let's assume this is a salt scrub, for example. So you're going to go in with your salt scrub again. You're going to exfoliate. You're going to apply it all over your body from neck downward. Massage it into your skin very well. Make sure you touch every part of your body apart from your face, from neck down. Scrub your body, either it is sugar scrub or it is salt scrub. Do you understand? So massage into your body, work it, like massage very, very, very well. Make sure you scrub your body, those dark areas, anywhere you have knuckles, like somewhere here maybe you have dark knuckles. Make sure you scrub those dark areas, your inner thigh, any part, your armpit, everywhere. Scrub every part of your body very well. So after that, you're going to rinse off your body. Now go in with your body wash. Do you understand? Now go in with your body wash. So when you come in with this body wash now, you're going to allow it sink into your skin. Like apply the body wash on your body, allow it to just be plain, but this time around you're not going to use sponge. When you come in with this body wash, you will no longer use any sponge. You will not use your sponge again. You will just apply your body wash all over your body. Apply it, use your hands and wash off any part of your body, then rinse off. Immediately you are out of the shower, apply your moisturizer. Please don't use don't use any exfoliating lotion, don't use anything exfoliating oil, exfoliating lotion. No, don't use it that night. Go in with your moisturizer, the likes of vitamin C. You can go in with your advanced clinicals vitamin C or any moisturizing lotion you use. Then later on, go in with your baby oil or any body oil you use. Seal it up, sealing the moisture with this immediately. Do you understand? Or better still, first of all, on a damp skin, apply your body oil on a damp skin. Then if it is a moisturizing oil, then go in with your lotion. Then after your lotion, you will now seal it up with a body oil, and that is a perfect night of exfoliation. I hope this video was helpful. If there's any question you have concerning this, ask down the comment section. I will be replying you. Do you understand? And if there's anything you want me to make video on, just comment down in the comment section and I will be doing just that. Now we've come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please kindly like this video, share this video to people that might be in need of this video, and also subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of coming across this face. Till I come your way next time. See you guys in my next video. Bye.